Okay, what is the Azure AI? Azure AI is a what? Come on. Okay, Azure AI is a suite developed by Microsoft. Am I right? First point. What is the Azure AI? Azure AI is a suite for artificial intelligence. Okay, Azure AI is a artificial intelligence suite. Okay, which is used, which has been developed by Microsoft. Clear? Which has been developed by Microsoft. Okay, it is a cloud-based platform. What is that? Azure AI is a cloud-based platform. Okay, they are providing n number of AI services which can be ready to use and integrate with your application. Okay, fourth one is what? They have provided lot of pre-built models. Okay, they have provided lot of pre-built models and tools for building, training, deploying, and your custom AI solution. Okay, so this is about what? Azure AI. What is the Azure AI? Azure AI is a Microsoft suite for artificial intelligence services and tools, and it is cloud-based platform. Okay, Microsoft has provided what is that? Pre-built AI models, okay, and tools for building, deploying, managing, and deploying custom AI solution is called Microsoft Azure AI. Okay, next. Why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI, guys? Anyone? Why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI? Just now I said, right? They have provided end-to-end development platform. Second one is pre-built models. Okay, using pre-built models, we can go for what? Low code, no code with fully code. Okay, also it is what? Scalability. Scalability means based on the demand, you can increase or decrease the load. Okay, backend infrastructure. Next, integration with Microsoft ecosystems. Integration with Microsoft ecosystem means already Microsoft, they have integrated these AI models for each and every product from the Microsoft. Simply we can say M365, okay, Edge browser, Windows operating system, SQL Server, or Microsoft Office suite, okay, Microsoft M365 suite. Each and every corner of Microsoft product already they have integrated. What is that? Microsoft Azure AI, like GPT models and all. Okay, next, it is also support the what? Open source development platform. Okay, if you would like to develop your own Gen AI, if you would like to develop your own Gen AI applications or the agents and all, yes, you can go and use what is the TensorFlow, PyTorch frameworks. Then you can develop your own what is that models and deploy. Okay, so this is about what? Advantages of the Azure AI. Why should I go for Azure AI? Okay, yeah. Next, what are the advantages of the Azure AI? Everything, it is faster, cost-effective solution. Next, and they are providing enterprise-grade security. Fourth one is what? Global availability. Each and every service wherever you want, you can go and deploy it. Only few services they make it restricted. So most of the services you can go and deploy anywhere in the world. Okay, it will support almost all. What is that? Countries, guys, all regions, I can say. Okay, yeah. Next, in short way, we can say what? Azure AI is a powerful because it combined pre-built services and integrated with OpenAI platform. OpenAI platform. Okay, where you can build, deploy, manage, and access the what? Your custom AI applications, guys. Yeah, great. So this is about what? Azure AI. Why should I go for Azure AI? Clear? Yeah, next. Now, I'm going to discuss about what? How to subscribe for Azure free trial. Okay, how to subscribe for Azure free trial. To subscribe for Azure free trial, you have to follow only four options. Okay, it's not a rocket science. It is very easy. First step, you can go for what is that? Enter your information. Okay, your information. Second step, enter the mobile number. Okay, here your information means your first name, last name, email address, and address details. Okay, once you have entered this mobile number in second step, you will get 6-digit OTP. Okay, yeah, third one, you have to enter the debit or credit card details. Okay, so once you have entered debit or credit card details, you will be debited 2 rupees, guys. Okay, for India people, you will be debited 2 rupees. For USA people, you will get $1. I hope no one is there in this batch from US, right? So these amount will be credited back to your account with maximum 10 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes, this amount will be credited back to your account. So why they are debiting 2 rupees means just to verify whether you are genuine user or not. Clear? Yeah, next. Fourth one is agree terms and condition. What is that? Agree terms and conditions, guys. Finally, you will get 17,000 around 500 rupees that you can consume it for 30 days. Okay, almost all AI services it is supporting to deploy. Happily, you can go ahead and use 30 days. So you may have query that after 30 days, what should we do? Okay, if you have after 30 days, you have to change your email address. What is that? Your email address. Okay, you have to change your mobile number. Okay, then change the credit card number. Okay, if you change all of these three important steps, then you'll able to create another Azure account. Or else after 30 days, you have to go for pay as you go model. Pay as you go model. So this is always based on consumption. Okay, you will be receive the invoice bill end of the month, every month end of the month you will get this invoice, so you have to pay accordingly. So use and pay, that's it. Okay, use the services, how many hours do you require, and then pay for it, that's it. Okay, so to subscribe for Azure free trial, have a look. Okay, go to azure.microsoft.com. Azure.microsoft.com. Okay, so this is the Azure portal. Okay, guys. So azure.microsoft.com, this is the global URL. And if you need any documentation, what is that? For anything, entire Azure product, you can go and verify, guys. So I request you remember this URL only. They are providing documentation for each and every service for entire Azure product. You know, right? In Azure product, they have provided around 300 plus services. Okay, if you need documentation for any of these services, yes, happily you can go and verify. Clear? This is what your data, your rules. Now, have a look. Okay, so this is about what? Your data, your rules. This is about what? You can Microsoft providing enterprise grade security for your customer data. Now, there is a what? Get started with Azure. Okay, here we have two options, guys. See, Azure free trial. Other one is what? Pay as you go model. Okay, Azure free trial, pay as you go model. Now, it is for what? 30 days. See, $200 dollars credit, 30 days you can consume it. So this is the pay as you go model. Monthly you will get invoice, according to that you have to pay. Auto debit option also they have enabled. Now just try with Azure. Okay, here you can use, what is that? Any email account. You can use Outlook, you can use Gmail account, you can use any other email account that you can use it, no worries. Okay, so you people try it out. It's not a big challenge, and already I have prepared one documentation. I will share with you. Okay, yeah, so this is the one. Okay, see, you need to pass your information, mobile number, verification code, agree terms and conditions. Okay, so this is what? This is first name, last name, email address, etc. etc. Okay, fourth step is enter the mobile number. Okay, fifth step is what? You will get OTP. Okay, that you have to enter the OTP here. Okay, next sixth step, you have to enter the credit card details. See, this is the credit card details. Enter the name and mention the what is that address details. So once it is done, click on next, agree terms and condition. This is the fourth step. When you agree terms and condition, you will get this email. Okay, I mean this is the alert. Previously we used to get 13,300. Now we are getting 17,000 around 500. It will vary in between 100 rupees. That's it. Some people may get 400. Some people may get 500. Some people may get 700 like this. Okay, so this is about what? How to subscribe for Azure free trial. If people try it out, and if you are facing any issues, let me know. I will validate and rectify that query. Okay. So this is about what? How to subscribe for Azure free trial. So far, do you have any questions? Anyone has any queries about subscribing for Azure free trial?
No, Sekhar.
Okay, yeah, great. Now, after subscribing for Azure free trial, okay, access the portal. What is the portal? Portal.azure.com. Okay, so this is my account. Sign in. What is changing my name? Okay, enter the credentials. Okay, this is the multi-pact authentication, guys. Inbuilt, you will get it. Either you will get the code or either you will get what is that SMS to your mobile number. Okay, for that you have to install Microsoft Authenticated app. This is my colleague's account. Okay, for our case, not required. Okay, as you are the account owner, right? You may not have to pass the what is that these details. Okay, maybe you will get OTP. Once you enter the 6-digit OTP, that is enough. Okay, I am approving this request through my Microsoft Authenticated app. Okay, that's it. Once I have authenticated, then automatically it will takes us to what? Azure portal. Okay, see, here we got 17,000, some 500 something. Okay, now this is the Azure portal. Okay, first we will discuss about menu items. These are the menu items, guys. Okay, so this is the Cloud Shell. Here we can automate your infrastructure. Whatever you want, you can automate the infrastructure. You can write the code PowerShell, Terraform, shell scripting, okay, Python code, anything you can write and automate the infrastructure. Next, other one is what? Notification. So this we can call it as bell symbol. It will give you the notification. For example, I have created any services. So while it is creating, it is in progress, right? In progress, or if it is throwing an error, or it is creating any backend services, or it is failed. All this information you can track it in. Where is that? In notifications. For example, I deployed one app services, right? Or I deployed one AI services. So to create AI services, it will take couple of minutes. Whether it is in progress or is there any allocation failure or it is any capacity issues, all these things it will display in notifications. Okay. So for example, currently it is showing what 17,109 rupees, right? For example, tomorrow I have deployed one AI services. Assume that AI services consumed 100 rupees. That amount will be debited. Tomorrow it will show you what is that 16,910 rupees something like this. Okay, so that amount, that notifications also it would be triggering. Where is that notification symbol? Also we can call it as bell mark, bell symbol. Now this is the settings. Okay, how we people are changing the themes for our WhatsApp Gmail account, right? Same way here you can change it. Now click on appearance. I need only black. Apply the dark. See, entire portal is changed to dark. Now change settings. Again appearance. Click on what is that? Auto light. Yes, apply it. Okay, so this is about what? One setting. Next, another thing is language. You know, right? If you consider Chinese people, Chinese will understand only what is the Chinese language. Now, entire portal should be converted into Chinese language. Now, apply it. Yes, apply. Okay, now entire portal is changed to Chinese language, guys. Now change it back. Again, go to language, apply English. Yes. Yes, apply. So this is about what? How to change the languages, how to change the theme, and how to change the settings for related to Azure portal. Okay, yeah, next. If we click on my information, it will display about my information, email address, and what should be the perform, what is the roles and all, we can track it. So this is about what? Menu items. For example, this is a free trial. Now, if you would like to upgrade, just click on upgrade here, then automatically you can change it to pay as you go model. Okay, here Microsoft supporting to around 25 plus types of subscriptions. You can go for anything based on business requirement. Okay, yeah, so only billing administrator can do. I am the owner, but I am the just type of administrator type of user. Okay, this we will discuss it. So this is about what? Anytime, anywhere you can, what is that? Add the subscription or purchase the subscription. There is a subscription option. Now add some more subscriptions. See, currently this is the free trial, right? What are the list of subscriptions are there are which is provided by Microsoft? Here you can check. Okay, see, this is the free trial. Pay as you go. Azure for student. Got it. Now Visual Studio Professional, developer support, students. Anyone studying in US affiliated to good university, Microsoft providing 12 months free services. Okay, if you know anyone in US, they are studying in good universities. Microsoft providing what? Free account. Students, they can use it for 12 months, 1 year. Okay, yeah, next. So like 20 plus types of subscription they have provided, you can go ahead and use. Anyhow, this will be taken care by your organization. Okay, so this is about what? Subscription related information. Right, so coming to this, we can call it as blade. Left side menu, we can call it as what? Blade. BLADE, blade. Okay, for example, sometimes inbuilt, see, go to the settings, click on appearance. There is a two options, right? Okay, menu behavior, flyout and docked. Now currently it is highlighted with docked. Now click on flyout. The moment when you click on flyout, left side menu will be, what is that? Disappear. Okay, now have a look. See, there is no left side menu. If you would like to create any services, you have to go for here and try to create the services. Okay, every time click on three underlines. Okay, yeah, three underlines, choose the service. It is very difficult for me. So what I will do now, go to here, click on appearance, docked, applied. So list of services, frequently created services, frequently used services in our day-to-day work in real time. You can place them here. quickly you can navigate and provision the services. Okay. Yeah. Next, this we can call it as app launcher. So this is the new functionality, guys. Just around 3 months back, they have introduced. Now, when I click on it, see here it is showing quickly. You can navigate to here. AI Foundry, our Azure portal, Copilot Studio, Data Explorer, Depender, DevApps, and Entra ID, Fabric, GitHub, Intune, M365 Dynamics, 365 Admin, Power Automate, Power Platform, Pure View, and Visual Studio Code. Inbuilt they have provided. This is the new functionality just around 3 months, 4 months back they have introduced. So quickly using most of the popular products, you can navigate it from here quickly. When I click on it, directly it will go and open the ai.azure.com. Okay, ai.azure.com. This is the AI Foundry. Okay, you people can go ahead and create the services AI applications can you can deploy. That's what Azure AI Foundry is, a unified platform where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the word AI intelligent application. Technical word, how we can say is we can build, deploy, manage, and access the intelligent application is called, what is that? Azure AI Foundry. Okay, intelligent application means Azure AI applications, guys. Clear? So now, same way you can go to app launcher. This we can call it as app launcher, guys. Technical word, app launcher. Okay, app launcher. So we have 9 dots. 9 చుక్కలు ఉంటాయి. 9 చుక్కలు. Okay, you can calculate it. So this we can call it as app launcher. Clear? Now quickly you can navigate to important, what is that products here. This is the new feature they have introduced. Now, now I would like to deploy one service. Okay, what is the services is, I want to deploy AI Foundry one services. I would like to use one GPT model, Chat GPT model that should be deployed in Azure cloud platform. That is my first intention. Okay. First thing is, what is the subscription? Can anyone tell me, guys, what is the subscription? Just now I said. What is the subscription? Anyone? Sorry. Okay, subscription is nothing but, note it down, collection of resource groups. Okay, subscription is nothing but collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Note it down. Collection of resources. Okay, in Azure, each and every service must and should fall down under one resource group. Each and every service in Azure, it must and should fall down under one resource group. Okay, subscription, we have various types of subscription. As I said, free trial. Okay, pay as you go model, pay as you go model. Okay, also we have enterprise edition. Enterprise edition. So also we have Visual Studio Enterprise, Visual Studio Premium, Visual Studio Developer. Okay, Visual Studio Developer like Azure for Student, Azure, and Enterprise Edition. Like we have n number of subscriptions. Okay, currently we are pointing about what? Free trial. Okay, under free trial, first step what you have to do now? Go ahead and create one resource group. What is the first step we have to do, guys? Go ahead and create, what is that? A resource group. Okay, so what is the resource group? It is a collection of resources. Now have a look. Okay, yeah, have a look. Go ahead and create one resource group. In left side, there is a resource group option. Okay, in left side, there is a resource group option. Okay, now, yeah, already few resource groups are there. I will delete them. Okay, go to resource group. How to delete existing resource group? See, once you have practiced, no, directly go to the resource group, copy the resource group name, delete it. Okay, so that whatever you have deployed under that resource group, everything will get deleted automatically. Okay, fine. First thing, I am going to create one resource group. Best example, I have deleted two resource groups, right? See, here it is showing the status. In bell symbol, or we can call it as notifications, deleting resource group. Okay, now I am going to create one resource group. Create. Okay, so this is what again I am repeating. What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. What is the resource group? Collection of resources. Now subscription, Azure subscription, you can change the name whatever you want. Now resource group name I am giving Azure AI-RG. RG refers what? Resource group. See, the resource group already there in my subscription. Now I am giving 2025. Okay, RS. See, Azure AI project name is what? PWC I am giving. You know, right? PricewaterhouseCoopers. Azure AI, PWC is the project name. RG refers resource group. Okay, where you would like to deploy? Region. What is the region, guys? Can anyone tell me? What is the region? India is the region.
From which region it will take the
Yeah.
resources?
Yes. Microsoft, they have their own data centers around 140 countries. They have their own data center. Clear? You know, right? First, if you consider Microsoft, Google, AWS, Meta, Apple, all of them, compared to all of them, highest data center developed by Microsoft itself. First place. Second place, Google. Third one is Meta AWS. Okay. They have their own data centers, most of them. Okay, now 140 countries, they had their own data center. Now, what is the region? Region is nothing but geographical location is called region. What is that, guys? Region is nothing but geographical location is called region. For example, see, I have more customers in Central US. I can go on deploy my resources under Central US. So what does it mean? We are bringing our service closer to customers. You know, right? Now, entire business model is what? Entire business model nowadays at our doorstep. Okay, if you book any items in online anywhere, they are delivering the items at our doorstep or not? Yes. Forget about distance and all. Up to certain level, it is distance is free, then they will chargeable. But anyhow, services are at our doorstep. Okay, now assume that I have more customers in East US. I am going to create resource group in East US. Click on next. Next, what are the tags, guys? What are the tags? Anyone? What are the tags? Note it down. Tags are name value pair. What are the tags? Tags are name value pair, which will give the information about resource. Which will give the information about resource. Which will give the information about resource means it is the labeling, guys. Label. Okay, for example, assume that you have purchased one laptop or one computer which contain label, right? Label, it contain barcode. Got it? Okay, which contain price, which contain brand, okay, which contain manufacturing date. Okay, what is that? Manufacturing date. It contain price. Okay, it contain where is the address, where it has been manufactured. Okay, all this information it contain. By look at these details, we will come to know that, right? What is the configuration of computer, what is the price and all. So same way, tags are name value pairs, which will give the information about resource. Now here I am giving project. What is the project? I can say PWC. What is that? PWC. Who is the client? Okay, client I can say Mike something. Mike is the owner. Okay, next environment. What is that environment? This is for production, guys. Okay, so this is about what? Production. Clear? Yeah, next. Application. What is that application? We are using Azure AI application, Azure AI services. Okay. Going forward, if you read these tags, you can easily understand that, right? Okay, this is the production environment. Owner of the project is Mike. Okay. Now hit on review plus create it. Okay, create. See in the notification here, it is showing what resource group is created successfully. Okay, Azure AI 2025. Now click on it. Not this one, right? We have created Azure AI PWC-Arch. Okay, this is the very first step we have to do that. Okay, now see, click on all services. Okay, so when I click on all services, this we can call it as blade, as I said. This is a category. Okay, analytics, compute, container, databases, DevOps, general, hybrid, identity, integration, Internet of Things, migration, mixed reality, monitor, networking, security, storage, mobile. A lot of services are there. Under each category, we have what? N number of services which provided by Microsoft. Very simple. All services they are bringing under one Azure umbrella. Okay. So this is the centralized location. You can go on provision whatever the services you required for your application, for your organization. Then go ahead and provision. Okay. Now, first tab is AI plus machine learning. See, this is the machine learning. As I said, totally this comes under DP100. What is that, guys? DP100. Clear? Yeah, next. Now under Azure AI APIs, we have search, bot services, custom immersive reader, and suite services, Azure Index, computer vision, document intelligence, language and Azure OpenAI, translator and content moderator, face API and metrics advisor and personalizer. Okay, so this is industry machine learning standard recommendation around Azure Synapse Analytics. So Microsoft, you can see lot of changes, guys. To be frank, every 15 days, once you can see lot of changes in the portal. Why? Because Microsoft still they are investing billions and billions and billions of dollars to streamline this environment. Okay, so always 24 by 7, 365 days, you have to keep an eye. If you would like to survival in IT industry, no alternative. Okay, you can see lot of changes. Maybe after 15 days, okay, all these services will not be appear. Maybe they can integrate it with Azure AI Foundry. Directly, they will ask the customers use that portal. Okay, so there would be a lot of consideration. They will consider lot of requests from premium customers and all their opinions they will take into to the consider. According to that, they will modify. Okay, if really used for people, customers and all. Okay, fine. Now, first thing is forget about it. Now, I would like to create very first thing is AI Foundry, Azure AI Foundry. Okay, I would like to show you how we can deploy AI models, how easily it is supporting, how we can deploy into Azure App Services. So this is AI Foundry. Okay, what is the AI Foundry? That is the question. What is the AI Foundry, guys? Can anyone tell me? Come on. What is the AI Foundry?
It is a services provided by Azure
Okay,
to deploy our to use various
Okay. Yeah, see, AI Foundry. Now here it is innovate anywhere with AI. Build intelligent application. See, this is the technical words, guys. If we hear intelligent application, that is somehow AI applications. Okay, faster using pre-built and custom models, scalable infrastructure and the tools optimized for developer and data teams. Optimized developers for data teams. Okay, with the AI Foundry, we can develop any type of what is that intelligent application. Intelligence application means all any type of AI applications. See, create what is that AI Foundry resource, manage AI resources, explore best practices and all. Now there is a what Azure AI Foundry. Already someone has created. Okay, yeah, it's not there. Fine. Now I am going to create one AI Foundry. Okay, what is the AI Foundry? Note it down. It is the interview question. Okay, what is the Azure AI Foundry? Azure AI Foundry is a unified platform. Unified platform means very simple. For example, if you go for Reliance Mart, okay, you can purchase the grocery, you can purchase your home appliance like cookers, what is that, washing machine, TVs, everything, right? You can purchase it, what is that, grocery items. You can purchase clothes for your kids, family members, relatives and all. Okay, so you can go and purchase it toys and all. So that is the centralized location where we can bring everything that we need for our home. Simple. Same way, it is a unified platform means it is the centralized platform where you can build, deploy any type of AI applications. So this is multi-modal AI deployment. Multi-modal AI deployment means, for example, you came up with group models. I came up with Microsoft Pi model, someone GPT model, Meta Llama model, Hugging Face and Mistral models. Okay, like we have around at this moment, uh, around 12,000 models are there. 12,000 models. Microsoft already they make it available in centralized location that we can call it as Azure AI Foundry. Okay, I would like to use Mistral model. Yes, I can go and deploy and consume it. But infrastructure provided by Microsoft. I don't like Mistral model. I want to use only GPT model. Yes, GPT model can be consumed through only Azure AI Foundry platform. Okay, okay, can I go? I am using AWS. Can I use GPT model? No, guys. That is the collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI company. Clear? Yeah, next. This is about what? Unified platform where we can build, deploy, manage, access the intelligent application. Intelligent application here in the sense AI applications. Okay, it is developed by Microsoft. Okay, developed by Microsoft. So here organizations and developers or admins, what they can do, they can build, okay, deploy and manage, what is that, AI application. I can say Gen AI application. Okay, they can develop agents, they can develop agentic AI. What is that? Agentic AI solutions, anything, everything you can build, manage, access the application in Azure AI Foundry. Okay, so these services directly integrated with your applications. If your application running in Azure Cloud Platform, that is again beautiful. Okay, if your application deploying in Azure Cloud Platform, again that is the what? Very beautiful solution with seamless. They have provided integration add-ins which can be directly integrated. You need not put other efforts on that. Okay, so they are providing what is that? Enterprise ready built-in models. They are providing enterprise pre-built, pre-built AI intelligent applications that directly integrate with your applications. Okay, so this is the Azure AI Foundry and advantages. Okay, yeah, next. Uh, Next, now have a look. Now go ahead and create AI Foundry. See guys, I am creating, what is the resource group name? Azure AI hyphen PWC hyphen RG. Now I am giving my Azure AI Foundry. Okay, if I give this name, Foundry, yeah, it is accepting. Okay, the name also should be unique. Now where I am going to deploy? East US. Okay, so what is the project name? See, this is the project name. Project name here it is going first project. If you want, you can change the name. PWC hyphen AI hyphen project one I am giving. Okay, PWC is the company name. Project is AI. What is that project name? Project one I have provided. Now click on next. See, would you like to deploy it in public or only private network, or should be disabled and you can use it through VPN? So by default, all networks include internet can access this resource. I am choosing internet. It is publicly available. Now click on next. See, this is the identity. See guys, in Azure, there are two types of identities. Keep it in our mind. One is system manager identity. Other one is what? User manager identity. System manager identity. Other one is what? User manager identity. Okay, system manager identity. Other one is what? User manager identity. Okay, so when you use system manager identity, if something required from other services in Azure, directly it can manage it, guys. It is managed by Microsoft. So user manager identity is something that is managed by ourselves, then manually manage the permission to access some data from other resources. For example, there is a storage account. I will let you know guys what is the storage account. There is a data in storage account. If I want to access the data for Azure AI Foundry, that he can done by directly using Azure System Manager Identity. If it is user manager identity, I need to provide the permission, manage the permission storage account level. Then that identity you have to provide the permission. Okay, let it be. I am go ahead with system manager assign identity. Okay, click on next. Encryption by default it is auto encrypt at data center level. Next, tags. See guys, tags feature is there for every service in Azure. Now I am using application Azure AI client mic. Okay, who is the environment protection. Okay, owner I can say mic. Next, project. What is that? PWC is the project. So inbuilt, you are getting once you have created these tags. If you want add additional, yes, you can add it. Now click on next. Okay, there is a validation details. Please different name. See, this is the unique name, right? The domain name Azure AI found it is already taken by someone. Go for basics. I am giving 019. Some number I have provided. Hit on review plus create it. Say it is accepting. So what does that mean? What is the subscription? Collection of resource group. Under this resource group, I have created one service called My Azure AI Foundry 019. Hit on Rebbe plus create it. It is created. Yeah, it is creating. Here you can check the status. See guys, deployment is in progress. Yeah, deployment is in progress. Have a look guys. Azure AI found. So this is the portal. Okay, see guys, what is that? Build apps and agents. Build apps and agent in Azure AI Foundry. Unlock advanced AI capabilities, seamless integrate with your systems, and accelerate AI application development with AI Foundry. Click on it. It will take us to separate URL. This is AI Foundry. Okay, signing with my GenAI application. Yeah. Okay, yeah, see, this is the AI Foundry, azure.ai.com. Nice, right? So here we can play the games. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you how to deploy one GPT model and deploy into our Azure cloud computing. It is like a exact chat GPT. See, chat GPT, this is developed by OpenAI we are using. How we can build and deploy our own chat GPT. That I will show you in next session. First example. Just how I want to bring you I want to make you to understand how the applications in AI. That's what. Okay. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free and ask me. Bhaskar, Praveen, Rahul, Ravi, Rohit, Vinita, Yosef.
No, sir.
Yeah. So keep an eye on Azure. Okay. Know everything like AI related, but Azure AI Foundry is the very popular. I can say still Microsoft investing billions of dollars to bring all the services into this AI Foundry, guys. Maybe tomorrow, I hear that somewhere in article, AI Foundry they are going to replace with AI Factory. I'm just there is a proposal. Okay, maybe change it or not. The name, like you can see lot of changes, like monthly wise. You have to verify and keep an eye on them. Okay. Yeah, so tomorrow I will show you like how to deploy one sample GPT model, how the application would be deployed or integrated with our application. That is the main intention I shown you. Then we will go for as usual from scratch. Okay. Thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.